Welcome to Focus Tech Tips. I'm glad you are back here. In our previous video, we learned how to create page numbers with both Roman numerals and normal numbers and even alphabet. In this video, we are coming to learn how to create table of content automatically. So let's start. To create table of content automatically, what you have to do is to have headings and subheadings. Okay, so with this work we have headings, then we have subheadings. Okay, so we are going to use this to create table of contents, which will be a guide for you to create any one you want. Okay, so the table of contents should be II. That's page II. So what we do is we put the cursor at the last page, hit on enter, so we get a new page. Okay, so I is there, or you can as well click on insert blank page. So the simple one is to just hit on enter from the last page we break. That's the first page. Have our II, we want to insert table of contents. Okay, so to do that, let's go on. We will highlight the heading, then come to home page. On the home page, we go to style. That's the font style. We click on it and we decide on the header to use. So our headings, we are going to adapt header 1, then our subheadings, we are going to adapt header 2. So we click on header 1 for our heading, then but you should remember you can edit the heading to reflect your tone. So let me modify the header 1 and you know how to go about it. So header 1, you change the color to black, then the font to the normal font you are using for your main page, then the size to the size number that you want, then you save. But you can click automatically update, so that if you already applied header 1 to a lot of headers or headings, it will take effect automatically. So let's click OK. So henceforth, whenever we click on a header, it's going to give us this. Okay, so you can do for the rest of the heading. Then we go to subheading or topic, subtopic. We would go back to style, then choose header 2. Let's modify this one to reflect what we want. So modify, then the font we want black, we want Times New Roman. Okay, 13 is okay. We want it to be updated automatically. Okay, so we have our header 2. Then we go to methodology, we go to header 2, we go to okay, execution of results, header 2, conclusion, header 2. This is a new heading, so we go to style, then we choose header 1 for the new heading. Then we go to okay, there are no subheadings again. Okay, that's where our file ends. Okay, so we do it this way. Now we want to insert our table of contents at this place. So we go to reference, then we click on table of contents. It gives them an option. You decide on what you want. You can decide on this. So let's decide on the first one, automatic table 1. So you see automatically Excel creates our table of content for us. So it's a matter of using header 1, header 2 for all your heading and subheadings, and it was going to generate everything for you without a hassle. As you keep on updating your work, you have to update your table of contents. So you come here, you right click, then you go to you either you right click and you update fold, or you come here, update, then you click update page numbers. You use update page numbers whereby you don't want to update the table of content, but you want the numbers to change. But mostly you want to update the entire table of contents, so you click update entire table, then automatically to make changes to whatever you are doing. Okay, so let's look at something. Our page number, let's see if everything is okay. So we have 1, 2, okay, everything is okay, everything is okay. I have 3, everything is okay. So basically that's how to create table of content automatically. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like our videos for more content. Thank you.